Happy birthday.
Thanks. Have you decided what color you're going to paint this one yet?
Probably white or tan. Probably tan.
Good color. I'm going to get myself some of these kits to go.
Yep. I got the kits down here. A lot of storage area. Cardstock kits and such.